morning! For today's project, we are going to attempt to paper mache this balloon. Victor so far has put 1 spoonful of flour in this container, and then he's poured a bit of water and stirring it. Victor, could you add a little bit more water into that bowl?
No.
No? You think that's good enough? Alright, stir it. And then meanwhile, Mama is cutting up some paper. Okay, add a bit of water. Okay, I'll model this for Victor and then let's see if he gets it. So Victor, next we're going to take a piece of paper, dip it into the powder mix, and then stick it on the balloon. Whoops. You want to try? Okay, get a piece of paper, dip it in. That's 2 papers. Here, just use one maybe. One of these. Oh, they're long. That's okay. See how it goes. Alright, dip it in. Get it really wet. The whole paper. Dump it in. Like this. Put it in. Yeah, pat pat. Okay, well, after that, take it out and we'll put it on the balloon. Yeah. And then put it on the balloon. Very good. I think we'll add a bit more water to that one. He's all ready to do that. Good job, Victor. Okay, we've modified our technique a little bit. So now I'm trying just spreading some paste on the balloon because he seems more interested in just submerging the paper in water. So put it in and push it down. Yeah, get it really wet. Good. And then when you're ready, put one on the balloon. What are you doing? Yeah, but that's what we're putting the paper onto. Yeah, that's where the paper goes. So put a paper on the balloon. Yeah. Put it on the balloon. No? You'll just soak it a bit more? Okay. Good job. Okay, so admittedly I did most of this. He wasn't that into putting the paper on the balloon. Mostly he just wanted to stir the water and mash everything up in there. So now I'm leaving this to dry and we'll see how it goes. This is the first time I'm doing paper mache without glue in the mixture, so it's literally just flour and water. So I'm skeptical about how well it's gonna adhere, but we'll see how it is. So it's days later now. The paper mache turned out okay, although next time I would do more than 2 layers. It's a little bit weak. Victor was playing with it and already popped the balloon out of there. I had planned to leave it in to make it more stable for painting, but that's okay. And then today he's kind of painting it. So, what are you painting? Bunch of balloons. Hold it for you. Nice. Yeah, hold it and then paint it. There. That looks good, Vic. Mm-hmm. Messy balloon, that's right. All done? Want to get out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy face inside? Yeah.
So here is our painted balloon. I admit I did most of the painting. He kind of lost interest pretty quickly, and I want to hole punch it and turn it into a hot air balloon. It is pretty fragile, so we'll see how it turns out. Want to make this a hot air balloon? No. Yes? Can you hold it? Mm-hmm. Okay, hold it for me so that I can punch a hole for the basket. So yeah, hold it like this. Thank you. And then we'll do one here. Okay. And then keep holding it. One here. And one here. Oh. Yay! There's the hot air balloon. And who's riding inside?
Pig riding inside.
Pig is riding in the hot air balloon. Okay, so here's our final product. In conclusion, it's pretty weak, so I would do way more paper mache, and I'm considering blowing up a balloon in there to add more stability, because I definitely can tell this is gonna fall apart. And he didn't really like the painting, and the paper mache, he was more interested in just crumpling up the paper, but he seems to really like all these like strings and things that he can put this toy in. Do you like your hot air balloon? Yeah, can you show me how to give the pig a ride? Give him a ride in there. Whee! Lift the top string. Hold it from the top. Hold this string. Hold it up. Let go the basket. Yeah, up, up, up. Hold it up. Oh. Hold this. Yeah. Hold it up, up, up. There. Okay. The end. Thanks for watching. You are smart. Bye-bye.